ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Kinong ilam jong kador bar snong lapangap kibala shim halade ya ka jingkit kle ban pet ya ka jing e jong ka snong ka thau ha ka khat arterik ukalaling kot arjar arpuwe kilami shakhamat ban dawa ya ka sarkar Assam bakadai ban sange shisindon ha ka bapunthut ya ka jingshna ya ka surok ka bapunyeso ya ka snong khanduli shakal lapangap lengba ka snong langkiroy ha ka jingelang pajba balawan ya shim bentalang da ka border magistrate jong ka West Jaintia Hills district ka kong B bla but Deputy Superintendent of Police ka West Jaintia Hills District uba M Marngar but Border Magistrate jong ka West Karbi Anglong District Mongve Enghi but Deputy Superintendent of Police Nayan Moni Barman kibami khamat ya ka sarkar Assam kinong ilam jong ka snong lapangap kilapan pau bakilong kibakloy ban wengno ya ka jing persya halor ka jingshna ya ka surok na ka snong tapat kabadang hap ha ka jela Assam bat ka bapenyeso sa Khanduli Meghalaya leng bakas nong lapangap lada ka sarkar Assam ka kaloy ban ya ka jingkular na ka benta ban ampentut shu ya ka jingshna ya ka surok na ka snong Khanduli sa ka snong lapangap leng bakas nong langkiroy susu ka dorbas nong lapangap kala dawaru ya ki borsan shar jong ka West Karbi Anglong baki day ban pensange no shwa ya ka jingshna ya ka ni ka surok ka bapenyeso ya ka snong tapat shado ka snong Khanduli ka basam lembay ka snong lapangap tat hado baka sarkar Assam kanda ay ya ka jingkular bakan ampentut shu ya ka jingshna surok na ka snong Khanduli shado ka snong lapangap
Laya keren kum nomor kibati.
Ang kajingkan jang imam kalau pun ni, kajing demand jang kalau ba, nak government apa sam kam dia cuba pendik ini jangi, apa kita mau ban surok untuk lapang up surok Khanduli. Maka jing dua jang kalau bala dak sarkar Assam kaya ilek ye gini, tinggi ngiruk ni dawai sarkar Assam pada depan sangat cuba. Yang ni surok bagi cina kebalang mentah. Tak ada begini ya yang kecil tu jumut apa dah gini atlet district tak ada kecil.
Okay. From our village, respected deputy, DSP from West Karbi Anglong district, as well as our DSP from West Jaintia district, our border magistrate from both sides. So our protest today is very peaceful. It's very peaceful. But what we want is to free to construct the route from Lapangap to Khanduli. Because last year we just come to repair, but they come and disturb and harass, not allowed to proceed the work. Especially during the rainy season, our people cannot reach to Khanduli market. They find so difficult for medicine, for students. So when they construct this route, they want to construct freely. But we protest. Because why? For them is allowed, for us is disturbed. But as they need this road, we also need our road. So today, our protest is to stop this road for some time, till we make agreement that not to disturb, to construct a road from Lapangap to Khanduli. That's all. No?
Yes.
That is all.
They have to unhold the work right from today.
Till they make the agreement.
Until and unless we finish to make some agreement, then
Also, final decision is not from both of us here. We will take up the matters.
yes, we understand you didn't have
take up the matters to higher, and from our side also we will take up.
yeah.
So today, our people, they make very clear. We have to understand very clear. Okay? Unless and until they allow to construct our road from Lapangap to Khanduli, this one also will put on hold. Not allowed to proceed the work.
Yes.
Because we are Indian, we are same. Brothers and sisters, we need our road, you also need the road. Then, what is the problem to allow us to construct that road? It is a same only. Therefore, today, I request from both sides, from West Karbi Anglong, Hamren and West Jaintia Hill district, you must take this message to the higher deputy commissioner level to make an agreement. Then you keep copy to us to the Dora Barsnong. We'll allow to proceed the work, no matter, because we understand the road is very important.
For the benefit of the border area, the people living in the border area, the matter should be solved at the
Cesar, if they don't stop today, so tomorrow or day tomorrow they will come and they will come more confusion, more problem. They will create a problem. So it's better to put on hold for some time.
My only concern is since everything is peaceful over here, so the request of the people to be kindly considered and taken to your higher authorities. We will also take from our higher authorities, and in the peaceful manner that they have allowed to construct this entire route. So for us also, if they want to construct that route, that is the only
Only our voice.
not that they don't want to obstruct the construction of this road, only to allow the other construction. That is the only. So we will take up from our end to the high authority from you to. Kani kamday ka bangila bangin chimti mangi na maka jingsna kamya na lembaga.
It's not our power to write here and to
And nakaliang jong ingila tang bandra ya kani ka kubor ka balayaray mentakasni naka snong jong snong bad ya kibrio barokhat ba ki ong ban pensange shoy ya kani ka kam tin nakaliang jong enra sya ko ki hato horti ibala ban pensange ya kani ka kam namar mangi ngimla ban pensange nimdai mangi ki authority ban snai kani
Kadai boy mam.
Hara saya kene ke wei kubor bangin nom syak nandu menta bantre yune surok hadu banda
problem sa kaway pedema man siang. Manta pin pensinga igani pi hadu dayo ketika lapangap dia lano sanction lano pin dan pentrai. Sisa. Kalau gani
kata pila menjur dak kata
Ke problems kalau gani, problems kalau gani.
mar pi penslam kini kin up si up.
Sengap sa. Aku interrupt. Problems kalau gani. Kibru chungi kimut ban repair. No, not any sanction from the government. Cuma ban prepare lah benong kiperlu ke pisah lajong kiperlu ke bawah lajong ke bawah sno. Like the government of Assam. Just give them information.
information here. Unofficially, I can try, but the formal letter will be done by this message.
Just give the order.
Okay then.
Tong ini pano karano pa iba monjur.
Pai ba surai. Oi, pa ap nagaliang kaji kelam yung di arteli ki bor yung ka sarkar nagaliang ka West Karbi Anglong district Hamren waga West Janjahil district kajing bakmat yung di arteli ki bor sarkar magistrate from both side bro arteli ongi mentu ka singi to open sange yung surok manjur pi manjur Kakuar hap egi ka agreement wa ukre yung surok nala pangap cha khanduli claim ka wan galon ka jing pentut da manjur be kete kad phuyoi ya ka special letter ka agreement naga sarkar Assam jantia na wero arliang imye uchna yo surok debiang hado yo hakti ka Dor Barsnong lapangap debiang official letter debiang namate to kublai subun sat lagi ukre to kate I daw em gijing e I think it's enough, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, take this message.
Bohi kijing kerpat ye gilong mi khmat yongi ki kantin wayo na ki yongi womje ule ni bha berkhang lat asam takat ngante I hei po kam ga Dor Barsnong horo kuwi nado ka chitari kubna wa chipao da chimi ka sinjam go nongkong hawo ye percha wa ta sorok ye jingkre yong ga asam tramani ka chop ho ga tugasni kamada lei plai so plai ke sarkar Assam mem de wan kre goita handre ke wasnyau si I kam ginong chong chunong waman da po ye gini gisngi ko katni ke sarkar Assam da wan biang go kre tai langba langba ke jing penyang yang ka lagi sipai ke boper boper but hadin nei tela karwa ginong chong thang yang i mati ke jing kamu gini gisni ko dadam armut kinong chong nagani ke chnong ke yang i memumut ki bolai do arngut bolai pendam lana bolai pensange ya kata ke kre handai mut ki langba ke jinglai luti ki ki na kata ke luti mut ki ulai na ke banta ke jingem kam ki ki simen handai ke wasnya si wa ke polis ke yang yu tau sarok kem no ke ki patra ke ki sadu samran polis outpost taganis ina galian ke chnong bo i ke jing si ke khro ha jing to Waka Sarkar Assam kawada chim ya gani karai klaim am gawan ke jing pentip lana klaim am gano ke jing pensyaw thu yi ikam ke dor barsno hai walai luti ke longba ke area chno ke yong ibat kam chu khamtam langba ki hali ke hator yong ginong chong chnong klaim gano ke jing panbo takat gamta i diwam banse ikam ke chnong ke thao chim ya gani ke jing ba khlei na ke banta ka khandau ka chi apyongi batna ka banta ka nong kanti yongi kam ginong song snong haini snong lapanga
UMLA siapa woman kaum minister woman kamu lokal MLA yongi dekerpat yo negalian chenong ongi UMLA wa ke asam dekere ko ni teliang ti thapno iya gani kere yoni sorok pensiana Mper la rawan snem la idang wa kwa kerke yuni sorok wa pensia po ke budget yang arjar arhawi arjar war wana la panga bakhanduli to pensia yuni sorok yo mat ka asam penwit ke imam te gejing jupap yo no emle ong emle yani ongu ham kre tu sorok ni ba utu sorok uto wa emblak imaku yiki emblak imaku ile utu sorok ukre ka asam ni tale emblak imaku tangwa membrom ka asam ile to wimo ho buroni daga status ko wa dai tight of ki wa ka sarkar asam men khalia dowi gin khalia wa hoy burom kim hoy burom hejing setiap doyo bi amle tangi yong amle khasi wa amle jantiar yo bi bun gijing fer yong ki yong i jing setiap kam dai jing setiap to amle yong i to wanu wi satran lang wi pa gijing dia apa misram Waragi sen balang Mizoram, waragi MLA Mizoram, ki lai kia perlu ki dem perlu ki emlang ki upai ba. Karo ki MLA, MDC, ki noi lam yong i sapsi ong MD Surawi kamne isi.
The main grievance of the people coming from the West India is that from Lapang up to Khanduli, whenever there is a repairing of work, there has been an obstruction. So, on this issue, I will take up with my senior authority and take decision on the issue of Lapang up to Khanduli, which they want the repairing of work. Yes, that is the main way or mainland through which they go to the market or come to the Khanduli for marketing, for school education or something. So I'll take up all these issues, and I already told my counterpart, Boda Magistrate of West India, I'll convey the message and I'll inform her about the decision taken at the earliest. By today, I will take up this issue.
Gani gejing tre jubor ga asam mata gasngi ngiliarai ban ya mi paiba ban persa bat ban pensenge mardor ya ka sarkar asam ban pentre no yone usurok tenagali yang ngijongi ngilayo citip bat ngilesnge yo snge lagi jong iskur ba hapring arngut ki magistrate jongka West Jantia but magistrate jongka West Karbi Anglong kilayrai ba kin pha ega clear message saka high level ban ya penbej ba ban kiru kin tre yone surok bat ngiru ngin yo bantri sarsuk yo te surok ubana lapangap sekhanduli ke message ke ba nagaliang jungi ke isu ngin ra ngin pha sik sarkar Assam bat kumju ngin pha sik sarkar Meghalaya ba lada ka sarkar Assam kam ailat yangi bantri yo te surok ba ya nalapangap sekhanduli daleleru ngin nagaliang jungi ngin yai persya bat nginom syaru ba ke sarkar Assam kan pentri yo ne surok kata kedai ke message ke bakliar nagaliang jungi kum ke isu hadin bang ilayo jing tip ya kani ke jing pentre jubor jong Assam haki jaka puta badang hau pok ka sinong lapangap kunta nginda ka wei ke jumut nila pelong da kani ka rally dak bajajai hak bangin niyat nadu na sinong lapangap hadu bana po hene po bordar jong ka Karbi Anglong bat ka Jajah Hills bat dalak po hang ni nila sim tang ka wei garai hakmat jong ki arliang ki magistrate bat nagaliang jong ikisang bahalang ro ngila sim ya karai ba ka nagaliang jong ka sarkar Assam ro kadai ban sange sindon ban pentre yon me usrok bat ada kim sange nginom bat ngin ya sekmat bat kubasna tunat kalong ba mentagas ngi nagaliang jong ini ki arliang kumbong presiden jong unit nepo lapangap kila sim tang ya kawe garai ba kin ra no sepok ka high level hakaban pensenge no ini surok nagaliang jongka Meghalaya ro kan up ya kata ka report bat nagaliang jongka Assam ro kan ai kata ka kinyadon ka agreement lang kenang ba ya uni usurok ladaki ngilesim garai balada kisah ya ke sarkar Meghalaya bakan sina usurok nalapangap sekhanduli ngiru nginsya bantre uni surok balada ka sarkar Meghalaya kadang pentut bantre uti surok nalapangap sekhanduli ka sarkar Assam kan persya ya kejing pentre na yo surok nalapangap sekhanduli ngiru nginom sya bakan pentre uni surok
nagaliang ka dorbar snong lapangap menta kasngi hagasin baar ngileyami pajba ban persya jur ya kada kejing ti surok jongka sarkar Assam illegal encroachment namarba kani gajaka kadang hap apa upur usam jongka snong lapangap within the lapangap jurisdiction as well it fall under the Meghalaya demarcation tanamar kata kadaw ngila persya jur ya kani kicing le jubor jongka sarkar Assam tementah kani kesin ke baar ngili yami pajba ban pensenge biang yang sarkar Assam sebha sange ban sna yaunik sorok namarba nagaliang ke sarkar Assam kelapen wit kelapen tut ya ke dorbar snong ban sna sorok nalapangap sekhanduli manla kapor tementah kesngi ki ar teli ki bor jong distrik jong ke West Janja Hill district bat ke West Karbi Anglong district hapok ki jing lam khamat jong ke magistrate ngilaya him ka wei garai bat kata garai kalong ba hapen pensenge swa ya ke jing sna sorok ka Assam natapat lapangap hado umpawiang une udai usurok ubangi persya hadin balai menjur kini ki artli ki bor jong distrik ban ai hangi ke dorbar snong ya ka clear agreement na ka banta bansya bansna ya surok na lapangap sekhanduli kumjuru ngin ai kalat ba ka sarkar Assam ka sna ya surok nado tapat lapangap hado umpawiang omde sekhanduli umpawiang tekumta nakaliang ke dorbar snong ngin ap ya report balada jia baga sarkar Assam ka aibar ban tre hakini kisngi claim yo ya ka agreement chak dorbar snong ngin ai biang ka jing ya khi ka ba he ka ba charkhe namar ngila yakut mentakasngi tekumta hakini ka por nagiliang ardeli ki bor district ila monjur ban aya kana jingtip saka higher level ban sangeno sisndon claim kano ka jing tresu yaune soro hublei sibur